You know you have to find the value of x. It is an equation. Put the like terms together. You have to move 3x into this house. So the symbol will be changed. 9x minus 3x is equals to 12. Clear? Now solve it. Isolate your x and you will get the value of x. Once you get the value of x, what is the question? Find the total amount of money. So whatever you get as your x, you have to put it here because this is a total share. Put the value of x in this and you'll get the final amount, the total amount which these two boys are going to share. Clear? This is very simple question. I hope you can do it. It's not difficult. Next topic is rate. Let's do that also. Next topic is rate. Now for rate, I want you to open up your exercise 9B, which is on page number 217. Now in this question you see that something is given for more quantity and you have to find it for one, for each. So it is also called unitary method. It means that you are going to find something which is given in abundant and you have to find something for one. Like you are going in a bazaar and you are supposed to buy bananas. So if 12 bananas you got for say rupees 100, so you have to see that how much one banana cost. So that is why it is called unitary method. Now I have a question here. Let's say a bus takes $15 for a 3 kilometers trip. So we want to know that how much will it charge? How much will it charge for 9 kilometers? So to find the answer for 9 kilometers, we must know how much the bus is charging for 1 kilometer. So what I will do is, let me write the statements. Cost the bus charge for 3 kilometers is $15. Cost the bus charge for 1 kilometer. If we will know the amount for 1 kilometer, we will calculate the value for 9 kilometers. So 15 divided by 3 will give you $5. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So for 1 kilometer, the bus is charging $5. So now the cost the bus charge for 9 kilometer is equals to, we have for 1, so 9 multiplied by 5, 9 is the kilometer, 5 is the dollars, so the bus will charge $45 for a trip for 9 kilometers. Clear? I hope it is clear to you. So these are the two topics we have covered in this video. So let's see if for the next one.